Hello, everyone. So today I welcome Neelam with us. I have Neelam on board today to help and discuss and help the students in coming out from all the confusions that they have regarding what skill sets are required to get placed in corporates or to become an entrepreneur. Now, what are before that, I would like to introduce Neelam to you. So, Neelam has 11 years of experience. She has been part of the industry for quite long and she has worked in the domain of sales and marketing. She has vast experience devoted to building profitable connections and moreover with client centric approach coupled with ability put forward my words ability. Okay, she has the confidence, she got the confidence to start with something of her own, and then she came up with Whistle Solutions. So Whistle Solutions being she has a track record of handling customer interactions, okay, with and using a lot of marketing skills. So marketing has always appealed her so much, and it has so much to learn and so much to do: read, analyze, and write. So this is how she came up with the agency Whistle Solutions Limited. It is LLP. Whistle Solutions is a company formed with an intention to help organizations in their sales and promotions, consumer promotions, loyalty programs, partnerships, and contests, all using a combination of rewards, technology, and insights into consumer behavior. So, Whistle Solutions is also into gifting. Whistle Solutions is an integrated gifting and promotional products company aiming to redefine the concept of corporate gifting in India. So, this is wonderful, Neelam. This is such an amazing
Thank you.
concept. And with
Thank you.
your vast experience of 11 years into sales and marketing, I'm sure that this is how you have come up with this concept of Whistle Solutions, wherein the concept of like you have come up with the concept of corporate gifting in India, translation work to brands for their pan India as well as across world. This can be converting any document to any regional or international languages. Okay, so welcome you, Neelam, with such a wonderful experience of sales and marketing and customer centric approach, and now with something of your own, that is Whistle Solutions, which has a new concept of corporate gifting. So I welcome you here. I'm glad that you are here with us and help our students understand more on what are the skill sets required, okay, to work in corporates or to become an entrepreneur. So that is what is my first question to you, Neelam. What are the skill sets required by students who are looking forward for placements? Okay, whether they want to enter into corporate or whether they want to start something of their own. So besides the degrees and the diplomas that they hold, do they need more skill sets besides that? That is my first question to you.
Thank you so much, Barka, for introducing me in a very wonderful manner. From the time I've started my business, nobody has welcomed me so well. So thank you so much.
This is awesome.
Yeah, so thank you once again. But I really understand your question, and I think yes, there is a need of the hour. That the students learn these skill set while they are in the college or while they're doing the degree courses.
Yeah.
Basically, I believe that job is one thing, and entrepreneur is a different thing. Reason for me is because actually job makes you learn so many approaches, like your basic behavioral skills, like wake up on time, go to office, get into a basic schedule, and listen to your elders, listen to your seniors rather, understand how to behave in a corporate environment. So of course job is a primary thing while they start their career. That's what is my firm belief, and that is why I've spent almost 11 to 12 years in the job, and then only I took a decision to start as a businesswoman. There are certain different skill set required for being an entrepreneur apart from the financial support, which is of course the most important. I believe patience, dedication, leadership qualities, communication, team building approach, so marketing, sales. So you are actually a jack of all trades, and when you think you are a jack of all trades, then it is the right time to enter into a business. If I have to name, yeah, please go on.
So Neelam, like you said, teamwork, marketing, okay, so collaboration is very important.
Leadership, yeah, so many.
Leadership. So how do the students learn this? How do the students learn this? How will they learn teamwork, right? And how will they learn leadership? How will these skills
So
be inbuilt?
if I have to put forward, I would say working at the earliest stage is utmost important, because books can teach you on the definitions, but life teaches you practically. So when you start moving out, even if it is your father's business or it is your friend's business, or you are your family has certain businesses, maybe some relatives and all, it is good to go to office, observe things, observe what's happening around. So I am seriously disheartened by this pandemic, although, but there are a lot of things happening around these days, which is actually a learning for most of the students, I believe. How people have actually leveraged this pandemic, how far they have got into the, so if you actually go into the details, you'll find that there are a lot of people who have become entrepreneurs during this pandemic. Reason was situation. When they were without job, they actually started their own. So I am not saying that these situations persist for longer, but what I'm trying to say, that to work is the best way to get an experience. And working can be anywhere. It can be either at your business or your friend's business, or as a trainee, or in a startup, or in a formal structure of organization. So working is very important. And I'm sure you'll learn a lot of skills there. Delegation, time management, finance, all these are part of your life.
Finance. Right.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Okay. So, so do you think that the present educational institutes, colleges, and university have programs wherein the students can learn all this, team building, then collaboration, okay, cognition, all this? Can the students learn all this? The present education all the educational institutes are capable, or they facilitate this as of now currently?
So, from the time I did MBAs and PGDM, I think lot has changed. Even the college fraternity is trying to, find out ways where they can improve on these parameters. And I would not like to comment anything on whether they implement or not, but I am hopeful that they are definitely doing it. And if I have to talk about learnings in the college life, I think there are various ways to learn. It's only a matter of looking at things. When the student get into the debate competition, it is actually, collaboration. When people, so if I have to give you an example of a group discussion, what happens there? People talk to each other in a way. Sometimes it leads to fight, and sometimes it leads to understanding someone else's point. So it is actually a way of looking at things. Yes, there are a lot of group discussions happening in the colleges, but when it comes to real life, things are not that same. I understand. And that I think no college can ever provide, because, a college cannot make you, a college has a set of structure which is need to be completed during the time frame of 2 years and all. So education is important, but accordingly, we have to see that what students as well as fraternity can together do in their extra hours, maybe,
Yeah.
like for example, I'll like to incorporate here. Maybe the college can ask every student, even at the beginning of the college,
Yeah.
to get into some sort of business or some sort of working
Right.
culture and
Right.
deeper to that. So for example, I am sure every family has different set of people who are earning. So for
Right.
example, my sister runs a family business of, just an example, selling pickles,
Yeah.
but
Right.
while she's selling pickles, there is a lot of learning that she's going through. Why
Right.
can't a student write down those learning which he's actually learning from her or his sister itself at home? But these things are ignored because स्कूल का भी एक सेट पैरामीटर होता है और कॉलेज का भी एक सेट पैरामीटर होता है. तो
Right.
इस एंगल पे कोई सोचता ही नहीं है, बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से दैट इफ द कॉलेज और द स्टूडेंट start thinking from that angle, सोच बड़ी चीज है, सोच ही नहीं है.
Right.
तो
Right.
सोच होगी तो
Broaden
सब
the
है
vision.
पॉसिबल.
जिसे हम कहते हैं ना,
Yeah.
broaden the vision, मतलब expand
Absolutely.
horizons, that is more important. कि हम
Absolutely.
actually, you're very right, all the colleges, institutes, universities, they're actually trying to facilitate all these things. Okay, so they are trying to incorporate something or the other, maybe industry interaction, maybe social activities, maybe engagement with the alumni, life projects, right? So they are trying to do as much as they can, facilitate. Okay, so
Absolutely. Absolutely.
so, even the students and the parents need to broaden their horizon. They need to come up with such requirement where they understand that practical exposure is very important, wherein a child learns all these skills. So practice.
Absolutely.
What you said, कि जब आप सपोज आपके घर में कोई बिजनेस कर रहा है तो आप उसके साथ इन्वॉल्व होंगे तो ही आपको समझ में आएगा कि कैसे कैसे तरह के लोग हैं. यू हैव टू डील विद सो मेनी काइंड ऑफ पीपल. ओके, एंड यू कैन नॉट कीप ऑन चेंजिंग पीपल, राइट? आपके अंडर जो
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं, so that is just one example, right? So wherein you cannot be changing people, but you have to manage with those people. So that is just
Absolutely.
one thing. Then there are many other aspects like finance is there. Okay, then marketing is there, branding is there. So many things are there. So वो जब आप
Absolutely.
जब तक आप फील्ड में नहीं उतरते ना, जब तक आप प्रैक्टिकली, तो आपने जो एक बात कही ना कि लाइफ एक तो डिग्री हो गया, एक आपके डिप्लोमास हो गए, और एक हो गए आपके लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस. सो लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं आपको. जब आप जॉब में होते हैं तो वो आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं.
Absolutely.
Right. So
Even with the smaller business, people learn so many things, how are they standing up, how are they building their brand, how are they managing in external as well as internal customers, how are they, managing the records of the people, what technology are they using, how are they, reaching out to customers for their complaints. So there are so many things to learn even by a small business. So if somebody has a big business, then it is, of course, and it is not only about business or service. What I'm trying to say is that learning. So from while they enter into the course, they should start looking at every angle of their life and they should make a note of it.
Right. Maybe
That's what.
like, maybe it's like, while they are traveling, when they are traveling to the college, okay, so, or when they are meeting their peers, so what are they learning from their peers? They should just jot it down somewhere कि अपने
Absolutely.
फ्रेंड्स से आज क्या सीखा, आज की लर्निंग क्या रही, या आज इस टीचर ने ये बात कही, इस बात ने मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर किया, या मे बी फ्रॉम सम सेटबैक्स कि मैं भूल गया अपना असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना. सो दैट मीन्स माई टाइम, मे बी माई टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज बैड, मे बी आई एम लेस प्रोएक्टिव, आई एम लेजी. Okay, so I need to work on myself, right? So
Correct.
that
Correct.
self working on oneself is very important rather than
Very important.
putting it on others, putting the blame on others कि आपने बताया हमें, ठीक है, आप. So wow, that's wonderful. मतलब it's very nice to learn this from you, Neelam.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
सो नीरम, क्या ऐसा पॉसिबल है कि कुछ ऐसे लोग है ना, या कुछ ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशंस, ठीक है, जो इन चीजों में एक्सपर्ट हैं, है ना, जैसे कि आजकल हम बहुत सुनते हैं, लाइफ कोच हम सुनते हैं, ठीक है, या हम काउंसलिंग के बारे में सुनते हैं, ठीक है, तो लोगों ने कुछ ना कुछ सर्टिफिकेशंस ले रखे हैं, सो दे आर क्वालिफाइड, राइट। तो और भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो इंडस्ट्री में हैं, जो कॉर्पोरेट्स में, हु आर एट सीनियर पोजीशंस, है ना, या जैसे आप लोग जैसे लोग हैं हु आर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, ठीक है, हु हैव हैड लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। तो क्या ऐसे लोग हु आर एक्चुअली एक्सपर्ट नाउ, ठीक है, और यू कैन गाइड द स्टूडेंट्स, क्या इंस्टीट्यूट्स को ऐसे लोगों के साथ कोलैबोरेट कर लेना चाहिए, ठीक है, कि कुछ like 2 months module, right? Or maybe 3 months module, wherein such people, right, they are guiding the students. Okay, it should be a proper, I mean to say, it should be a proper module. It should not just a very small exercise. Like, you know, we have, I think, lot many institutions have mentorship, okay, mentorship programs, live projects, wherein the student interacts with industry people or entrepreneurs, live करते हैं. बट मेरे को लगता है उसमें भी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ अधूरा रह जाता है ना. तो क्या इंस्टीट्यूट्स को ऐसे लोगों के साथ कोलैबोरेट कर लेना चाहिए, जैसे कि 3 महीने का मॉड्यूल, समथिंग लाइक दिस शुड कम अप, और पीपल शुड कम अप विद सम थिंग्स लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस.
आई थिंक इट्स अ वंडरफुल आइडिया, एंड इसलिए भी मुझे ये आइडिया बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, बिकॉज नाउ डेज फीलिंग ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और यू नो feeling of starting something on my own has actually arisen, and you know people love to do something of their own. There are so many reasons behind that. You know, startup culture has actually enhanced. A lot of highly qualified people from various IIMs and you know IITs have started their own, and they have seen success. So startup वाला जो culture है आजकल बहुत boom पे है, and it is actually inspiring a lot of students. You know, you hear about a lot of great speaker like Author Sherry and Vivek Binda. I think they have list of followers mostly because of the student fraternity. You know, students listen to them because of the motivational words that they come up with. So what I'm trying to think that you have rightly said, अगर एक्चुअली में जिनके बारे में हम सुन रहे हैं वो हमारे ही सामने आ जाए, एंड यू नो वी हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्पीक टू देम, टू टॉक टू देम. वो बचपन में कहते हैं ना, टच एंड फील वाली जो बात होती है वो अलग ही होती है.
राइट, राइट.
यू नो, अगर वो स्पीकर्स जिनको हमने कभी इमेजिन ही करा था या जिनके बारे में और पढ़ा था, अगर वो हमारे सामने आ जाए, जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू नो, आई थिंक स्नैपडील इज कुणाल शाह, आई थिंक सो. सो यू नो, ऐसे कोई स्टार्टअप फ्रेटर्निटी के कॉलेज फ्रेटर्निटी मेंबर बन जाए, और यू नो दीज के जो भी फाउंडर्स हैं, इफ वन ऑन वन, एवरी फाउंडर हैज अ डिफरेंट स्किल सेट. कोई फाइनेंस में होगा, कोई टेक्नोलॉजी में, कोई किसी डिफरेंट स्किल में. अगर डिफरेंट पीपल आके बच्चों को डिफरेंट स्किल्स के पॉजिटिव्स और नेगेटिव्स भी बता के चले जाए, तो आई थिंक इट कैन ऐड वंडर्स टू द स्टूडेंट लाइफ. बिकॉज नेवर नो कि स्टूडेंट कहाँ पे कौन सी बात उसे टच कर जाए और किस लाइन में वो निकल जाए. You know, so it's a very good idea.
Because you know every individual is new, is unique. Sorry, every individual is unique, right? And कई बच्चे होते हैं जो बहुत introvert होते हैं, but maybe they are very good with technology. You know, maybe they have very good ideas going on in their mind, but they cannot communicate it, right? So not everybody is an extrovert. Some students are extrovert. They can speak well, right? And they can be good with marketing skills, marketing and sales. तो ऐसा कुछ वेरिएंट, मतलब जहां ये इंडस्ट्री के एक्सपर्ट्स या ऑल मे बी द मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स, ठीक है, ये लोग एक्चुअली दे आर, मतलब दे आर गाइडिंग द स्टूडेंट फॉर like 3 months, you know, and it's a proper module with all the steps defined, all the program defined, है ना, कि ये इन like 3 महीने के लिए ये बच्चों के they are going to guide them like this. So
or on and off they can even call these people or the people who have founded something, they can call them to the college and speak on a on a regular basis, like 3 months ka module mein, and then the students are jotting down the point that they learn and then make a case study and all that stuff.
या नहीं, हम जैसे ना नीलम, हम ऑलरेडी मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम करते हैं, उसमें ऐसा ही करते हैं, तो उसमें ऑन एंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट मेंटर से इंटरेक्ट करता है, बट उसके भी बहुत लैक्यूनास हैं, स्टूडेंट्स उनको अप्रोच नहीं करते, कभी मेंटर बिजी है, ठीक है, तो आई थिंक इसमें कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए कि ये 3 मंथ्स का जो मॉड्यूल है या 2 मंथ्स का मॉड्यूल है, इसमें मेंटर हैज टू कम टू कॉलेज इंस्टीट्यूट एंड टेक प्रॉपर क्लासेस,
Yay, huh?
hours wherein
Absolutely.
just like teachers, like we are teaching them, just like that. For example, you are coming to the college, okay,
I
and
understand. Yeah.
you are taking suppose 10 hours or maybe 20 hours, okay, that has been assigned to you. So 20 hours you have to come to college and you have to take those classes. So then regularity, that connection between you and the students, what you actually want to give, I think there the quality will come. So
Absolutely.
because that otherwise that gap, there is a gap, because when the mentors, okay, are working in industry and they're just mentors, okay, there is no fixed hours given to them, so that gap comes in. Students do not approach, or the mentor is not available, the mentor is busy, so there is a gap. So
Absolutely.
and when the mentor is being paid, some kind of remuneration is there, okay, so I think because there'll be some fixed number of hours, okay, like 20 hours that he has to come, so that dedication that will come between the students and the mentor both, so I think that can work well. So that is,
Yes, you're absolutely right.
I feel that is required, that is the need of the hour, because mhm.
No, I think you're right, and of course, scheduling of the task is very important, and it happens with business also. And so I think while they get scheduled for certain number of classes, when certain days and time, everybody has time. It's just
Yeah.
a matter of management. So everybody could manage and come and deliver what is expected. And I'm
Yeah.
sure, as you said, responsibility will make
Account.
them accountable also.
Yes, 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 yes. No, this has, while talking to you, while interacting with you, this has come to my mind, and yeah, so this has really, with your interaction between you and me, this has really come up, this has popped up. So I think this can be a very good insight, the takeaway for the day for the students, okay, which has come from your suggestions, from the discussion that we had today, Neelam. Okay, so it was wonderful to have you here.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure that you actually considered me for the session.
No, Neelam, I've heard you and I know your experience, the kind of vast experience that you have, so that has motivated me to talk to you and uh, facilitate this discussion forward for the student fraternity to get more clarity. That is the main aim.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Neelam. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Bertha. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.